many trees. Which one to pick? This one's nice. This one is nice. I found one. This is Clive attempting to cut down our favorite tree. You might have to get down on your stomach just like that guy. Maybe me making fun of him was bad because maybe he was actually We're helping, aren't we? We're cheerleading. Woo!
There we go.
Woohoo! That was really fast.
Christmas tree down.
It took less than a minute for that thing to be song. Yay! What is that? Okay, pose and feel proud. So we had a frozen rain storm and our whole world is now frozen. Everything is frozen. Whoops. Look at those icicles. I have never seen anything like this before. When the wind blows, you can hear the trees moving. It sounds like they're gonna crack. Look at them, they've fallen already. They're so heavy from that. Please don't. It's incredible. I can't even move because I'm gonna fall. Oh my gosh.
Barbecue knife. It's been left out during the ice storm. It's crazily covered in ice.
We are living in the, what are we living in the apocalypse?
Yeah, the apocalypse is happening.
Because there's trees down.
Right, wandering around lost, there's no power.
There's people outside looking at the trees fallen.
Yeah.
There's no power.
They're about to fall, they weigh about 15 tons.
Every single item outside is frozen.
The tree just fell.
Absolutely ridiculous. I've never seen anything like this in my lifetime. So ridiculous.
Zoom into the car.
Yeah. That is ridiculous. I feel like it's the end of the world. I feel like I'm in that movie War of the Worlds.
Christmas display. Look at it.
Oh shit.
Completely destroyed.
Look at this. It's like covered in ice and it's still raining.
There's no power and I bet there's not going to be power for a long time.
Yeah. We're back to the 1800s.
Trees leaning. Split. the old carnage from the storm. See trees split everywhere.